Today we are going to review me and see how much power I have, my cost, reliability, and whether you should buy me or not. Just kidding. We are taking a look at this 2022 VW Polo Live. This is one of the most popular hatchbacks, known for its comfort, build quality, and everyday usability. I think this car is called Polo Live for a reason. Let's unfold that in this video. From the side, take a look at this thing. It's so clean and the design is simple. VW didn't do too much, but they also didn't lower their standards. It's not too sporty, but it looks neat and well put together. The alloy wheels look stylish but not aggressive, and the tires are more focused on comfort than performance. Up front you get a clean LED headlights, fog lights, and a simple grille. It looks modern and well put together, but not as bold as rivals like the Opel Corsa and Peugeot 208. Overall, the Polo has a timeless design. It doesn't try too hard, but it also looks premium for a hatchback. The rear is simple and clean. The tail lights look good. It's a big improvement over the previous model. This model comes with a sunroof, which is a nice touch and brings more light into the cabin. And let's be honest, Polos with sunroofs just look better. If you haven't subscribed and you like this video, please don't click the like button. Instead, put that energy on hitting that subscribe button. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Or you can just hit both like and sub button. I really appreciate it. This Polo uses a 1-liter turbocharged engine producing around 85 kilowatts and 175 Nm of torque. The engine has 3 cylinders, the same number you'll find in the Toyota GR Yaris. Yaris engine is 1.6 liter and produces more power and way more faster than this Polo, which does 0 to 100 km per hour in around 11 seconds. VW's focus here was more on smoothness and efficiency. Did I open it right?
Yeah. You opened it?
Yeah.
Problem now you stepped up and you chopped your head.
Initially,
when you're standing, you must stay low. If you are high, then you chop your head.
I'm tall, ne? The boat is practical, with enough space for daily use. But on long trips with all seats occupied, you might run into space issues if everyone brings large bags. You get top tether points, making it safe for child seats. Under the boot floor, you'll find a spare wheel and tools. The dashboard looks clean and modern with a glossy design touch. The infotainment screen is a good size, easy to interact with and simple to use. Below that you'll get air vents and straightforward climate controls. Side air vents are well placed and easy to adjust. The glove box has decent space for your everyday items. You get USB ports, a manual gearbox, engine start-stop button, and auto start-stop. There's also parking assist and parking sensors to help you park safely. You also get a 12-volt power socket. There's a storage under the armrest, a small space in front, and 2 cup holders. Rear passengers also get USB ports, which is very useful. You also get storage pockets behind the front seats. Door panels of window controls, lock buttons and side mirror adjustment. The digital dashboard looks clean and modern with a nice color theme. On the left side of the steering wheel, you've got cruise control, lane assist, and media volume controls. On the right, you have display view controls, navigation controls, voice command, and media control buttons. You get a small storage compartment for sunglasses. You get halogen interior lights, very simple but functional. The sunshade can be adjusted easily to block sunlight by manually sliding it with your hand. You can press and hold to open or double press to fully open or close the sunroof. The front seats are comfortable and supportive for daily driving. The rear seats offer decent space, but taller passengers might feel a bit tired. Now let's go for a drive. When driving, the Polo feels smooth and easy. The steering is light, perfect for city driving. The suspension is comfortable and handles bumps well. The fuel consumption is around 5 to 5.8 liters per 100 km. And with a 40-liter tank, you can get around 650 to 750 km range. In South Africa, this car costs around 300,000 rands to 380,000 rands depending on condition and mileage. Insurance is about 900 rands to 1,800 rands per month. Reliability is one of Polo's strong points. The 1.0 TSI engine is generally reliable if well maintained. Common issues include small turbo lag, basic interior compared to newer rivals, and is not very powerful. The Polo is a safe and reliable choice. It's comfortable, fuel efficient, and easy to live with. But if you want something more exciting or powerful, you might want to look at other options. If you want a solid car that just works, this is still a very good option. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next drive.